is going on, everybody? Welcome back. I'm out here today up above Adventures. I'm out here with Ian, #1 deckhand. Captain Cody is on the boat. Juan is on the boat. Juan is doing it up in the kitchen, little chef package today. We have a 12-hour trip that we're going on. We got 3 guys, 12-hour trip. We're gonna go deep dropping. Stay tuned. We got a lot of action coming your way. We are on. Big one.
I see color. Red snapper. All right. All right, whoa. Yep. Okay. All right, that's good. Yeah, I gotta bring it in. Yeah. Big red snapper.
Awesome.
Nice.
Okay. So now I've got to. We can't keep them yet. Yeah. We gotta wait. They're cool. Good. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Finally, it stayed on, right?
Yeah.
Kudos! Oh! That was a jack. Rolls on him?
Yeah.
Kudos!
Yeah, I can see that. What do we do with him? Yep.
We're meant to be out here. Alright.
Quick!
Don't let the dolphin eat it.
Kudos coming. Oh, look, here he comes. Is that a shark?
Hey!
I like this one. Got him out. Is that a good leader? Got that. Get it. Somebody's got to let me in there. No, here. All right. Look at there, boys. Yeah.
How'd that one feel?
Oh yeah.
That was much better, huh?
That was a heavy one.
Big one.
Yeah. Like that. Like that. We're gonna spin it around. Oh boy. Good? Oh boy, he said.
You good.
All right.
Yeah. All right, one more. Our trip's cut short because there's a major storm going on in Houston area. So where are we heading right now?
We're making a little beeline to Freeport.
We're going to Freeport?
Yeah, there's a little bitty window. There's a storm kind of back towards the other direction, and then there's one here in Galveston. So there's a little weather window we might be able to hit to avoid the 70-mile-an-hour winds.
70-mile-an-hour winds?
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
Houston's getting hit hard. I know those reports of hell.
It's almost in Galveston. It's probably in Webster right now.
And how far are we from Galveston?
65 miles.
65 miles is like 230. So
yeah, so it's going to hit us about. We'll be 30 miles offshore when it hits us.
It'll hit us 30 miles offshore. That should be interesting. Yeah, and the seas are kind of already kind of funky today. They're already a little rough.
Yeah, four and a half footers.
Yeah, 4.5, and we're supposed to have threes.
There'll be 8.5, 9 footers here in a little bit.
8.5, 9 footers.
Maybe 10s.
So maybe 10 footers. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
What the heck? Are y'all ready?
Hey.
Y'all ready?
Hey.
What?
See me smiling?
Bird, here we go. This looks fun. Wish you were here. Hey. I didn't put the action camera down because it's taking two hands to hold on. So we had like winds. We had wind coming this way, wind going that way. Swells coming to the right, swells coming to the left. And then when the waves are coming, swells are coming from the left and the right. Then we had some pretty good, like 14 footers, maybe some 14 footers, and it's calming down just a little bit. We can start heading back. The issue was that like we couldn't go to a straight line to Galveston because the way the wind was blowing. So I think we were headed to Freeport, then we were headed to Beaumont, then we were heading even further south. We were going out at one point. It was pretty crazy. It was pretty gnarly, but you know, it's calming down. The winds calm down, so the swells and the waves are calming down little by little. So we can move a little faster to get back home. But it's been fun. Been one of those crazy adventure, definitely up above adventure. So how was that?
Oh, that was a bit shaky, right? A little bit, right?
Yeah, look, we don't have no front window.
But we made it.
We don't have no front windows.
Oh,
Yeah, all the windows are gone. So how was your trip?
It was an experience.
It was an experience. It was a good experience.
Definitely, yeah. If we are here safe, that's the most.
You're here and safe. Did y'all kiss the ground?
Exactly, yeah.
So
the best weather ever.
the best fishing trip experience ever. Yeah.
Good memories.
Good memories, absolutely.
That's gonna be a good moment.
So that's the way y'all ended your project on a bang, right?
Exactly.
So y'all gonna tell the other three people that didn't come that they really missed out on everything. That's
There were
awesome.
good reason for shortening the fishing part. Huh?
Right? Yes. See, but that's 55 foot. That's that big boat. It's big and heavy, so it really kept us pretty safe. I mean, for the most part, the inside got some. Yeah, got a little trash,
You
but
need a new TV.
but all that can be fixed, right? Yeah.
The most important, we are back.
Yes, all back safe and sound.